Hi, it's Jane. Out on the Queen Lane, and it looks like the storm's coming. I'm not sure if the rain's going to make it here, but it sure looks like something's coming. That's how it looks here. You can see the wind's really blowing. I'm not sure if it's picking up on the camera as much as there it goes. Okay, it is blowing up pretty big. Or pretty bad, rather. There's the clouds. Oh, big, long, all the way up the rest of the street. That's how it looks up there. Oh, the air feels great. Good thing it was trash day. They got all the trash out of here in time. And I believe I just heard a little bit of thunder. What time is it? I'm not sure of the time. In the evening, just before dark, it's getting, well, I can't tell. That's it for now. That's in New Queen Lane. Safe in the sky. Just because it looks so neat. Look at that cloud now. Yeah. Starting to really blow up. Woo! There's the sky. That is a neat cloud. You can see how fast the clouds are moving. Oh, here comes a squirrel. He fell in, he jumped into the tree. Yeah. I think it got on the camera. I guess he's going to hide for the storm.
Oh, there he goes. He's coming down.
Where'd he go? No, he just ran down the street. I think I just feel a couple drops coming. You feel them? You feeling? No, not yet.
She did.
Yeah, I thought I felt drops. It's starting. I don't know how much longer we'll be able to stay out here. Oh, I just felt a big drop on my arm. Okay, this is like 2 minutes later, and it's not sure if it's died down or not, but
You saw lightning over here.
you just saw lightning.
Yep.
Okay, go back over this way. Up, there we go. There's the thunder. Actually getting brighter over in that one spot. Seems like the clouds are blowing by, I'm not sure. Maybe they're just getting thicker. Okay, I can feel the drops really starting to come down now. It is starting to rain, and there's Indian Queen Lane. That's where the clouds are starting now. Starts there and all the way up the rest of the street is the clouds. And that too. Okay, the rain's really picked up. Well, the rain is picking up. The wind's picked up, and the rain's starting to come down, so we're going to get out of here. I'm getting wet now. It's raining pretty good. I can't go out there right now, but the storm is here.